Hello everyone, my name is Vincesia Febrianti Marol. So today I wanna discussion about TOEFL questions. Right, question number 1. Amanda was career as a social reformer, blah blah blah, in 1851 when at an anti-slavery meeting in Indiana. She called for a state women's rights convention. So, A. Begin, B. Began, C. Have a begun, D. To have begun. So, what the question? So, the true answer is B. Began, because this sentence consists of two clauses. It's about Amanda Weiss' career as a social reformer. So, begin is a true answer in question number 1. Question number 2. Protein digestion begins in the stomach, blah blah blah, ends in the small intestine. A. While, B. And, C. How, and D. Because. So what the true answer from question number 2? So the true answer from question number 2 is B. And, because in this sentence have two words, is about begins and end. So the sentence need a conjunction. So and is needed to connect them. Number 3. When natural gas burns, it's blah 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 into atoms of carbon and hydrogen. Hydrocarbon molecules breaking up. A. Hydrocarbon molecules breaking up. B. Broke up by hydrocarbon molecules. And C. Hydrocarbon molecules break up. And D. Broken up hydrocarbon molecules. So, what the true answer from question number 3? So, the true answer from question number 3 is C. Hydrocarbon molecules break up. Why? Because the word is requires a noun or phrase after it. So, the phrase hydrocarbon molecules complies with this requirement. So, while the word break up becomes the verbs for it, hydrocarbon molecules. Question number 4. Thomas Paine, blah blah blah, brought Common Sense, a pamphlet that identified the American colonies with the cause of liberty. A. Writer of eloquent. B. Whose eloquent writing? C. An eloquent writer. D. Writing eloquent. So, what the true answer from question number 4? So, the true answer from question number 4 is C. An eloquent writer. Why? Because in between the two commas after the subject need a appositive to explain the identify of Thomas Paine's subject. Alright, question number 5. Blah blah blah, bell dancer learn 5 basic position for the arms and feet. A. All of. B. Of every. C. All. And D. Every. So, what the true answer from question number 5? So, the true answer from question number 5 is C. All. Because dancer is a plural, so all is a true answer from question number 5. Next, question number 6. Some colonies of brezons, small marine animals, form blah 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 with trailing stems. A. Creeping colonials. B. Which colonials creep? C. creeping colonials are, and D. Colonials creep. So what the true answer from question number 6? So the true answer from number 6 is A. Creeping colonials, because verb form requires an object. Alright, next question number 7. The chief source of B12, a water-soluble vitamin blah blah blah, stored in the body include meat, milk, and eggs. A is not, B that is not, C no that is, and D that not. So what the true answer from question number 7? So the correct answer from question number 7 is B, that is not, because in sentence have a two clause. First is the chief source of B12 include meat, milk, and eggs. 2. A water soluble vitamin blah 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 stored in the body. So the second clause explains the subject of the first clause. So the second clause requires a verb. Alright, next question number 8. Blah 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 is rooted in the experiments in iron and steel conducted in the 19th century. A. While the history of 20th century architecture. B. The history of 20th century architecture. C. That the history of 20th century architecture. And D. Both 20th century architecture and its history. So, what the correct answer from question number 8? So, the correct answer from question number 8 is B, the history of 20th century architecture, because the sentence requires subjects. Next, question number 9. The primary source of energy for tropical cyclones is the latent heat related wind. A. Does water vapor condense? B. Condensed water vapor, and C. Water vapor condense, and D. The condensation of water vapor. So, what the correct answer from question number 9? So, the correct answer from question number 9 is C. Water vapor condense. Next, question number 10 is a last question. Although beavers rarely remain submerged for more than 2 minutes, they can stay underwater blah 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 15 minutes before having to search for air. A. As long, B. As long as, C. So long, and D. So long that. So what the true answer from question number 10? So the correct answer from question number 10 is B, as long as, because as long as same like and. So it's a true conjunction to a relationship underwater and 15 minutes, or as long as 15 minutes. Thank you and see you.